What's up, YouTube? It's Louis here. Hope you're all well. We're looking at Bitcoin today. Probably going to be the only update today as it's the weekend. An amazing match that I went to last night, Tottenham against Brighton, 3-1, which is crazy because I think the last time I watched Tottenham and Brighton at Tottenham, it was 3-1, and I think that was back in 2019. So crazy that I'll go to watch them, the same teams play again, and it's the exact same score. And the way the game went was exactly the same. We went up 2-0. I know you guys don't care, but we went up 2-0. Then they pulled one back, and then instantly, like less than 5 minutes later, we got the third. So yeah, nice Tottenham win. Got to see some debuts of some new players that we signed in the transfer window this January. So yeah, it was exciting to see the new faces. But yeah, let's continue with Bitcoin. I'm basically chit-chatting or chatting waffle because there's nothing new to say. But yeah, what we're anticipating is some sort of inverse head and shoulders here, or some sort. So going through these points, and then maybe come back to this green line, maybe a little wick down there, go sideways, and eventually break out. And you can see that would be a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder, an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So now that we've actually got the neckline, one thing we do need to be careful of, if we just completely ignore this, and you can see I've drawn this descending line here, and we've got this support. This could potentially be a descending triangle as well, so obviously we need to watch that. Obviously you haven't met the target out of it, but if you were to fall out of it again, we know that we'd be coming back into this green box, and this is the situation I explained yesterday where we could be forming some sort of double bottom over here and heading up. This probably was the bottom, guys, because on the monthly time frame, if you watch, please watch yesterday's update, by the way, please, I beg you, because obviously that was a lot more detailed. But yeah, I was basically saying how we had a rising wedge here that no one was talking about, like this, and we met the technical target here. But no one was talking about that. They're just talking about how we're going up now, but not the reason why. So let's go back to the 4 hour. The daily time frame, my mistake. So the daily time frame, yeah, an amazing pump. We like that, of course. We're still in a target to roughly 42.6.7k. This green line is, of course, now support. However, we haven't back tested it yet, so we must back test it. I was a bit overexcited making it green because we don't know if it is support yet. All we have done is come above it. We haven't back tested it support. It could easily just roll through, back test the 20 again as resistance, and technically it should continue lower than this. But I think that this is a strong support because of also this channel over here, this support channel, this ascending support channel. So even if we come into this, I think that we would reverse back out, and you can see that would be an amazing double bottom on the daily time frame. Great entry point, well, down here if we get some bullish candlesticks, or once you eventually break this neckline again. So not much more to say other than that, guys. We know that we've broken out of this. As long as we can back test the outside of it, something like this, and then come back up, we would be retracing back up to 69k, and beyond that our technical target is the 1618 at 109k. So a few weeks back I did say the bigger the dip, the bigger the rip, and I was saying that once we're finally out of this dip, the next impulsive wave target is 100k. I think I put that on my Twitter or something like that a few weeks back. But yeah, obviously the biggest level to watch when we do eventually come up, whether we do a double bottom here or just do some head and shoulders here, we're going to run into 52k. And this is the biggest level because obviously it's a level where a dead cat bounce could happen if we fail to get above the 618 at 52k. So something like this where it'd be an A, B, C, something like that. And then our target would be the 1414 down here at about 24k. Obviously we don't want to say that, but it's a level we were already made aware of once we lost this low over here. We were getting ready for that fact. When we measured from here to here, our technical target was 28k, but we saw on the, was it the weekly? The weekly, where's the 200 EMA? Well, this chart just doesn't have it, but the monthly, oh, it's because it's the perpetual contract. Here we go. So the 55 is now actually a bit higher than it was. It's now at, let's get it exactly for you. Now it's at 23k, before it was at 22k. Now if we go to the weekly, the 200 EMA sitting at 25.1k. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. We know what levels to look out for, so keep that in mind, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please like, subscribe, comment, because we're trying to get the channel, obviously, to 2k subscribers by the end of this month. It would mean the world if we can. No worries if we can't, but that's my next goal. Let's get there as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching. I'll bring you over to the crypto packages now. Peace. Peace.
So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6-hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the Signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the Signals chat. I wouldn't call it Signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTuber's help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.